If OneDrive is syncing a folder that you no longer want connected to your computer, this video will show you how to stop it quickly and safely. This is a simple fix if you want to reduce clutter, save storage, or keep certain files out of your local OneDrive sync. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to choose which folders stay synced and which ones get removed from your computer without deleting them from the cloud. Before we begin, if this kind of tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it helps me keep making easy tutorials for you. Alright, let's jump into it. The first thing you want to do is click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. You'll usually find it in the bottom right corner of your screen near the system tray. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the little arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. Now look for the gear icon inside the OneDrive window. This is where your settings are stored. Click the gear icon and then choose Settings from the menu. This will open the OneDrive settings window where you can manage your account, sync options, and folder selection. Once the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click the Account tab. This section is important because it controls which folders from your OneDrive account are currently syncing to your PC. If you want to stop syncing a specific folder, this is the tab you need. Now click Choose Folders. OneDrive will show you a list of the folders currently available for syncing to your computer. This list gives you full control over which folders appear on your device. If there's a folder you no longer want stored or updated on this PC, simply uncheck it. Take a moment here and make sure you're selecting the right folder. If you uncheck a folder, OneDrive will stop syncing that folder on the computer, but it will still remain in your OneDrive online storage unless you delete it separately. That means this method is safe if you only want to remove it from your local machine. After unchecking the folder you no longer want to sync, click OK to confirm your changes. OneDrive will apply the new settings and the selected folder will stop syncing on your computer. Depending on the size of the folder and your current sync status, this may take a few moments to update, and that's really all there is to it. You've now stopped OneDrive from syncing a folder without affecting the rest of your files. This is a great way to keep your local storage organized and make sure only the folders you actually need are using space on your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. And if you want more OneDrive tips, Windows fixes, or cloud storage walkthroughs, stay tuned because I've got more guides coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.